What's up guys, we have this Ducati V2 Street Fighter and it's only done 300 miles. I'm about to show you how to get it back to showroom condition. Before I clean the main parts of the bike, I need to clean the drivetrain, and I'm going to be using drivetrain cleaner on the chain, as your chain over time will pick up a lot of dirt and grime. I'm going to spray the drivetrain cleaner onto the chain and to the sprocket. I'm also going to be using this chain brush, which is going to allow me to agitate each side of the chain. I've just finished cleaning the drivetrain and now it's time to rinse that off. I'm also going to pre-rinse the rest of the bike before we clean it. The bike has been pre-rinsed and now I've connected the motorcycle cleaner to the slow foam lines to clean the rest of the bike. Now the bike has been totally covered with our motorcycle cleaner, it's time to agitate those dirt and grimy areas with our wash mitt. We've cleaned the entire bike with a wash mitt, it's time to rinse it off. Now the bike is clean, it's time to dry it with a microfiber cloth. It's time to apply MO94, and this is going to help drive out moisture from things like your levers and your foot pegs. It's time to apply the motorcycle protectant, and what this is going to do is drive out any of the moisture in those hard to reach areas. We're going to be spraying this over the entire bike, so it's going to leave a protective film, so when it comes to cleaning it, it's going to be a lot easier. So we're going to spray this onto the swing arm, the engine casing and all the plastics. Let's go. Time to get our paintwork back to its factory finish with our speed polish. Now your bike is back to its factory finish, it's time to use our all-weather chain lube, and this is going to help your bike run smoother and improve the life of your chain. And that is how you get your bike looking factory fresh again. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.